Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jerri-ellen. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of cleaning in my living room and hang some curtains and things. So this channel, I am going to put all and everything kind of content going forward and see how that works out. So today I'm going to be doing some cleaning, and I'm also going to be making a freezer ready meal. I am going to timestamp it. If you want to skip the cleaning portion, you can jump right to when I'm doing the freezer meal. That freezer meal, I'm going to share with you the best way to freeze it and how to cook it when you're ready to make it, when you take it out of the freezer. So I hope that you stick around for a freezer prep meal and some cleaning, okay? It is my pleasure to have you here. I appreciate you stopping by. I got the little cardboard thingies under my furniture and that because I'm going to be doing some cleaning in here and I want to easily move the furniture. I don't want to scratch up my floors. Hubby bought some curtains, or I bought some curtains, I should say. And my husband hung them for me on the weekend, some shears. I ordered some drapes. I should be getting those today. But there's some wrinkles in my shears. So today I'm going to use my little steamer and I'm going to hopefully get those wrinkles out. And in the coming weeks, I plan on painting the fireplace. So anyway, if this channel, what I'm planning on doing is a little bit of baking and cleaning, or a little bit of cooking and cleaning. I love to clean, I love to cook, I love to bake. So thus the channel. I'm just grabbing my little step stool here. Yeah, I figure, I am retired and I'm home, and this I like company, so that's why the video. I don't know where I'm going to put my tree this year. I want to have it, one of the trees in here, but I don't know how I'm going to do the setup. I've been creating, if anybody follows, like a feng shui. Been doing a bit of feng shui in each of my rooms, starting to do that kind of thing. I used to years back. I don't know why I got out of it, but I find it does help, well, myself anyway. So I'm getting back into doing my feng shui, how I set things up, the way I want things to feel. I chitter chatter. I guess. Hopefully it'll be enjoyable. Motivation. I like watching motivational cleaning videos, and I like watching all kinds of different stuff. Let's see how this goes. It's got to heat up a little bit. Hot steam. Do not touch.
Getting lost is time not wasted, as long as it's with you. Unknown roads and foreign places that we're traveling through. We could drive.
It's just a small steamer, so it's probably going to take a time or two filling it. But the wrinkles are starting to come out now.
Round in circles, any place will do. Endless days and fields of purple in our car's review. And crowds are always few. When I get lost with you, we'll stray away from the avenue.
It hurts getting up. Some days I can get up, no problem. But it always hurts.
We'll stray away from the avenue. Getting lost is time not wasted, as long as it's with you.
I got a bit of floor cleaner I put in a spray bottle for when I'm just doing an in-between kind of dust mopping, which I am doing today in this video. Oh, and neighbors, what did the broom say to the vacuum? I'm so tired of people pushing me around.
If I could hear you cry from here, I would crash through this atmosphere. No common stars or satellites could ever stop this speed of light. But truth be told, I flew away, watched your wings unfold. Can you hear me back on earth? I float up here, I think I found the stars of heaven looking down when all I need is you.
I'm really looking forward to painting this fireplace. I'm going to go with a very dark gray. It is almost black in color. I love it. And I'm hoping that it will make the fireplace pop and be more like a nice feature in the center of the room here. Graham wants to do the sanding of the fireplace first before I go ahead and paint it. But I'll take you along to the paint store and along for the ride and everything with that when it does happen. I got my drapes. I'm going with white. I'm sticking with white curtains, white shears. I'm going to be putting up blinds on the window as well because I don't like the kind of blind that is on it right now. So I'm sticking with white because I can change up other colors in the room and not try to get the curtains like to match a certain color. That maybe they'll just go with anything. I got the television on here. I was planning on putting on a movie. I thought, oh, I'm going to watch something a bit different. I'm going to put on maybe a scary movie or something. I'm not one for scary movies. I lasted all about 2 minutes and the thing was shut off. But anyway, I got my curtains hung and I was pooped. Making this for Casey, and yeah, so they'll have something that they can throw in the oven, and boom, in no time they have supper. In a bowl here, I am going to put ricotta cheese, 454 grams, so like a pound of ricotta. I'm going to put a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of parsley flakes, dried parsley flakes, as you can see. Teaspoon of garlic powder, a third of a cup of Parmesan cheese, this is frozen spinach that I thawed and I squeezed the water out. I get these packages at the grocery store. There's 2 blocks of spinach in it, chopped spinach. I use 1 block in this, so 150 grams, because 300 grams the whole thing. I'm going to put 2 eggs. 1. These are large eggs. 2. Also going to add a cup of mozzarella. And a little bit of pepper. I shredded I shred 2 cups here, so I'm going to put like a cup in and a cup on top. Give you some tips on how to freeze it and everything. I'm just going to get a bit of pepper, not too much, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon pepper, not even. I'm going to wash my hands again. I'm just going to put some stuff out of the way and wash my hands. I'm going to use more Parmesan cheese on top as well. So this is so simple and easy. This is 600 milliliters of Garden Select. I'm going to put 1/4 of that jar down. And I like to do a drizzle of olive oil. I have a 250 gram package of tubes here. I got a pesky fly that got in. And I'm going to, the spinach, if I was putting this in a piping bag, the spinach, you have to make sure your piping bag is wide. Cut the bottom off nice and wide, because the spinach won't go through. See, I just push it in, and then I get my spoon and I just start shoving it. The eggs will definitely help the stuffing stay together, the ricotta and that stay together. Put on your favorite music and work away in your kitchen. I'm just gonna not bore you to death with putting this in here, and I'll be back. So I do have some left, just I'm doing a smaller tray. There is enough to finish the few that are left in there, filling wise, but I'm just going to, you could get a smaller, like little loaf pan and finish this up in a loaf pan if you want it. But I'm just going to dollop the leftovers on top. I usually use the whole package, but like I said, I'm just using a smaller tray. What you want to do, because you don't want your shells to crack and dry out in the freezer, you got to make sure that they are covered. With sauce. I'm just going to put a bit of water in this just to rinse it out, maybe a 1/4 cup. Now, I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese. I'm just using this kind. Okay, and then my other cheese, mozzarella, okay. And I'm going to put parchment paper and then foil on it. I'm going to really put another layer of foil on this, just because I don't know how long they're going to have it in the freezer. Make sure it's good and tight. Okay, so just make sure that's good and tight. When you're going to bake it, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, no hotter, because you want an even cook, and going hotter might not, parts of it might not thaw before other parts are cooked. So 350. The box says 45 minutes, but that's if it wasn't frozen. So you're going to probably add another 20 minutes on top of whatever the box says. These are oven ready. I don't know if I said that. They're oven ready. So now I'm just going to throw them in the freezer, and I'll be taking this to Casey another time. Anyway, I want to thank you all for being here. You're wonderful, and I thank you for the support. I'm going to be doing just all kinds of stuff on this channel, and I'm going to be getting into the Christmas and Thanksgiving in the United States, getting into some baking and things like that for the holiday season. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.